In this sixth chapter, lot is going to come. Lot means Ajnartha. And Dvitiya Vibhakti, some more rules. Just like we saw Karma Dvitiya, we saw Abhitah, Paritah, Ha, Samaya, Nikasha, Anu. With this, Dvitiya Vibhakti will happen. This we saw. Like that, few more rules related to Dvitiya Vibhakti. And some Napunsak Linga Shabda will come. Some more Napunsak Linga Shabda we saw in second chapter. Like Putram, Vanam, Phalam, Pushpam, Nagaram, Rajyam, Satyam. Like that, Napunsak Linga Shabda will come in this second chapter. Napunsak Linga. Okay. So this is going to come. Let us first make firm lot. Okay, just like first chapter we saw only one. Gachati, Gachata, Gachanti. Now they know, you know 9 standard format. What is Pratham Purush, Madhyam Purush? At a time they are giving us 9. So let us study that. So here we can't study. Chalo, first we'll see Gachatu, Gachatam, Gachantu. No. Here we are going to see the way it is given. Chalo. So first write down lot. Lot means Ajnartha. Okay, Ajnartha. Ajnartha. Very important, Ajnartha. So make one small table. We make all this as standard table. Like you write Prathama, Pratham Purush, Madhyam Purush, Uttam Purush, Ekvachan, Bahuvachan, everything. And then we can write down how do we say. And I would tell you, you decline at least 2-3 dhatus in this. So since we are maintaining one format, I have joined it on mobile. It may lag. Wi-Fi is not working properly. Okay. So we will now onwards, we will use bhavatu shabda, bhavati, bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti. Though we have by hearted gachati, we can shift to bhavati easily. Bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti, bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavatah, bhavatha, bhavami, bhavavah, bhavamah, lat. Now what is lot? We'll see one and then you can decline like this. Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu. Now you will understand what is bhavantu. We always say sarve bhavantu sukhinah, bhavantu. Bhu bhavati means hona. Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu. Then bhava, bhavatam. Easy to remember bhavatam, and below you just remove one matra, it becomes bhavatam. How to remember this bhavantu? You just add one na, it becomes plural. This is how I remembered. Bhavatu, if you want to make plural, just add one na. Bhavatam, you just remove one matra, it becomes bhavatam. So bhava, bhavatam, and bhavata. Bhavata. See, now there is difficulty. Like gachatu, gachatam, gachantu. Gacha, gachatam, gachata. Okay, next is bhavani. Nothing to do with like Bhavani Shankaram. Nothing to do with that. Bhavani means I. When you want to give instruction to yourself, you say aham gachani means I should go. I am giving instruction to myself, ajna to myself, order. So lot means what? Order or request, both. I will write that later. First let us complete this. Bhavani, bhavava, and bhavama. So we don't have choice. 9 we have to learn at a time. Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu, bhava, bhavatam, bhavata, bhavani, bhavav, bhavam. There is no visarga. Remember that. Bhavam. So Ajnartha means request or order. Both. Request or order. You can say Gachatu, like you are requesting somebody. And same Gachatu you can use for order. Gachatu. The change is in word. How do you say that? So here, as usual, Ekvachan. I am going to ask everybody to decline one dhatu. Ekvachan, Dvivachan, and Bahuvachan. Bahuvachan. This is Pratham Purush. Vibhakti is 2, is for words only. And all verbs they have Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Oh, Vibhakti, what I am writing? Pratham Purush. What has happened today? Pratham Purush. Madhyam Purush. Madhyam Purush. This you know already. First person, second person. And this is Uttam Purush. Upu. Uttam Purush. So this we must remember today. Okay. Okay, who will decline any dhatu, whichever you like. Everybody has to decline. Huh? One dhatu, quickly, one minute is enough. Like one, I will tell you. Rakshatu, Rakshatam, Rakshantu. Raksha, Rakshatam, Rakshata. Rakshani, Rakshava, Rakshama. The best way to tell is Saha Rakshatu, Tau Rakshatam, Te Rakshantu. Best way. Now you will understand when we say bhajan. Raksha Raksha means you protect me, you protect me. This is how we pray to God. There are many bhajan. One bhajan is there of Ganpati. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Pahimam. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Rakshamam. That Raksha means you protect. I am requesting. I can't order Bhagwan. You protect me. Raksha. Okay, any dhatu, one student has to decline like that. Yes, who will decline? Any, whichever dhatu you like.
Pattu, patantu.
Ha.
Pattu, patantu. Pat. Patam. Patat. Pathani, pathav, abham.
Ha. Pathani, pathava, patham. So when they give in shloka bhavata, don't say, sir, visarga is missing. No, it is lot. Now you see confusion. Like bhavata and bhavatah. One visarga, how much difference? Bhavatah means pratham purush, dvivachan. And bhavata means uttam, madhyam purush, bahuvachan. Like yuyam bhavatah, yuyam likhata. So when we learned that in crash course, we learned one song. Pathata samskrutam, vadata samskrutam. If you remember that pathata, vadata means you all study. I request you all learn this. Pathata samskrutam, vadata samskrutam. Then lasatu samskrutam chiram gruhe gruhe cha punarapi. So there pathata means you all learn. Okay, Rupaji, any dhatu?
Can I do katha?
Yes, but kathayatu will come. Kathayatu.
Okay.
Because it's 10th gana dhatu.
Kathayatu, kathayatam, kathayantu. Kathayava.
Kathaya, only like bhava. कथय
कथय कथय कथयतं कथयत्
kathayat. Now here kathayat will come because bhava, bhavat, kathaya, katha, kathayat.
कथयत भवानी न कथयानि
Perfect.
कथाव
Kathayav. Because you see here, yes, kathayav, kathayama. So if you are saying like we should tell story, so vayam katham kathayam, requesting ourselves like we should tell story. Okay, Meenakshi ji, try.
Pashyatu,
Very nice.
Pashyatam, Pashyantu, Pashyat.
Yes.
What will I write?
Pashya. Be confident. Yes.
Pashyatam, Pashyata. Pashyata only. Then Pashyani.
Perfect.
Pashyava. Pashyavama.
Pashyama. Here bhava becomes bhavama. Pashya will become pashyama. So we always say sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Means we request to God like everybody. Bhadra means kalyan, well-being. Everybody should sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Like everybody you should see good in their life. We always pray. See our partha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu. Now what is santu? Santi, it becomes like santu. Request. Santi santu. Sarve santu. Amaya means rog. And niramaya means free from diseases. This is our universal prayer. Okay. Okay. Vishakha, quickly.
Sorry, what is the dhatu for that santu?
Our asti dhatu. Asti. Santi, santu. Vishakha, any dhatu.
Vadatu. Vadatam.
Yes.
Vadantu. Vadatam. Vadatam. Vadata. Vadati.
Vadani.
Vadani. Vadata.
Vadata how will come? Vadawa. Vadam. Hey, bhavava. Bhavama. Vadava. Vadam. Okay, Shweta, you want to decline? Any dhatu?
Yes, sir.
Decline.
Likhatu. Likhatam. Likhantu. Likhatam. Likhat. Likhani. Likhata. Likhani. Likhava. Likhama.
Likhama. Okay, if I want to say you all write, I will say likhantu. Sarve likhantu means you all write. If I want to say only one person, I will say likha. Tvam likha. But in Sanskrit, we don't say likha and all. Like we don't say tu. Always respect in Sanskrit language. Like bhavan likhatu. Very few times we say likha, gaccha, agaccha. Otherwise we say gacchatu, agacchatu. Bhavan gacchatu. Bhavan agacchatu. Okay. This very nice. Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu.
अच्छा असंति कैसे असंति का कैसे होगा इसमें? असंति संताम संतु क्या होगा?
संतु ना, it is second gana dhatu. It declines little bit differently, but santu is there. Just a moment, I will check. So I have told you ashtadhyayi. Yes.
Bhavatu means what?
Bhavatu means See, bhava dhatu means to be. Asti bhavati is like same. Asti bhavati is like same. We say like shubham bhavatu kalyanam. Shubham, this is Ashirvada. Shubham bhavatu kalyanam means may good happen in your life. Bhavatu, to be. It is like bhava means to be. So,
Thank you.
To be or to exist also it is said.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. So, Agrawal ji, astu, stam and santu. As dhatu you were asking. So, I don't know you were there or not. Ashtadhyayi, you see, I have just searched as dhatu and all 10 lakaras come. In English, their meaning also. You can't see now, but this is that Ashtadhyayi. I have sent link also to all of you. So you, whichever dhatu you want, you just add, right there, as. So all format will come. Astu, stam, santu. And next is, differently it goes. Edhi, stamsta, asani, asava, asama. But for now, santu is asti, astu, stam, santu. See, bhava dhatu initially creates, problems. Bhava means what? That is why I take gacha there. But bhava means to be, to exist. Hai. Like Ram hai, Ramah bhavati. Asti bhavati, same. Ram hote hai. Like that.
It's just like that, no, that God gives Ashirvad.
Ha.
Evamastu. Evamastu.
Ha. Tathastu. Tatha means that way. Ha. Astu हमें ऐसा हो. तथा अस्तु. जैसे तुमने बोला है तथा वैसे हो. Astu means ho.
Right.
Tathastu.
Tathastu.
हाँ. So tathastu is also a sandhi word. Tatha plus astu become tathastu. Tatha astu. Okay. Now next interesting rule we'll see. See this. Now you have two standard format. One is lat, Vartaman Kal. Another is lot. So at least two table we should know. See, if you know this bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu, any dhatu, chintayatu, chintayatam, chintayantu, chintaya, chintayatam, chintayata, chintayani, chintayava, chintayama. Any dhatu you can give order or request, whatever you want. Rakshatu. Hey Ishwar, Tvam Raksha, you protect me. Like that. Okay, now next rule is how na becomes na. Like we saw Ramena and Vanena. So there, see, Ramena, it becomes this, and Vanena. Tritiya Vibhakti, actually this na is there everywhere. But because of rules, this na changes into the murdhanya na. This is ta, tha, da, na, dental. Danta na becomes na. Murdhanya na. So vanena. Everywhere this na is there. All tritiya vibhakti. But because of some rules, this na changes into na. Ana. So that rule we will see. This is also important. You will understand. But for that, we need knowledge of 5 varga. Ka varga, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. 5 varga, this knowledge we need. That is why I told you that is very, very important. 5 varga. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, cha, cha, ja, jha, ya, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. That 5 vargas. All Sandhi rules I am going to fit on this 5 varga. So that is why if you don't know, write it somewhere where you can read and by heart that. So you see what is the rule. First condition is ra, ya, sha. In Hindi I will write ra, ya, sha ke baad. After ra and sha ke baad न को ण हो जाता है, हो जाता है। मीन्स व्हाट? इफ र एंड श is preceding, or if n, r and sh is followed by n, then that n changes into ण। बस इतना ही रूल है? नहीं, देर आर कंडीशंस नाउ। सो र या श के बाद न को ण हो जाता है। व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस? यदि हो जाता है, यदि यदि स्वर, okay, all swar, so they have given at. So if you remember at pratyahar, now at means what? A, I, U, rul, ru, a, o means all swars, and ta means ha, ya, va, ra, ha, ya, va, ra, ta you leave. So all swaras and ha, ya, va, ra. Are you getting it what I am telling? At pratyahara. So this is how sutra will come, but we will not go much deeper into that. R ya sha ke baad, like r and sha should be before, and then na should come in between. Yadi, in between. At means all swara. This is little bit difficult to understand, but we will make it out. And ha ya va, ha ya va ra. If these things are there, only these things, wait. Ka varga. Now when I say ka varga, that means you should know what is there in ka varga. So ka, kha, ga, gang, ga. Ka varga, pa varga. Big rule. First big rule. There is no another rule like this. Only this is big rule. So all swaras, ha, ya, va, ra, ka varga, pa varga, and a and na बीच में हो तो, so between r and sh, r and n, sh and n, there should be, if there is all swara, any swara, haya varga, ka varga, pa varga, a or na, then na will change into ण. R, sh should be before n. And in between, if these things are there, ka varga any letter, pa varga any letter, a, na, haya varga any swar, then only na varga, na will change into ण. Big rule. But when you practice it, it will become more clear. Beech mein ho to. If these things are there, then only. जैसे for example, let us see example and you will tell me na will change into ण or not. Okay, इतना भी difficult नहीं. जैसे नगरम शब्द है, नगरम, okay, नगर शब्द है, and I want to make तृतीया विभक्ति. So what is nagaram is napunsak linga shabda, and tritya vibhakti is like ramena. So nagare na. So you tell me now, will this na change into ण or not? So you have to see. You have to see. R is there? R is preceding and na is following. Yes. So R is here and na is following. Is there any swara in between? Yes. So this na will change into ण. Why? Because swara, if it is there, any swara, na will change into na. If ha, ya, va, ra is there, na will change into na. Ka varga, pa varga, it will change. So it will become, I know in first attempt you will not get it 100%, but it is not difficult. Why nagarena becomes? Because I will write the full like splitting of this. Naga, ra, a and na is there. So now you can see ra is preceding, yes. Ra is preceding, yes. Na is following. Yes. In between A is there. Okay. A is okay for us. Yes. If it in between swara is there, then na will change into na. So it becomes nagarena. If you don't understand, tell me. This is little bit घूम फिरा के rule है ये. चलो, one more you will solve. Like pat. No, not difficult. I will give simple one. Varsha. Just verbally tell. I want to write down Varshena. So should I write down this na or which na? So Varshena. What will come here? Na. I will ask in our language. Na, na, dantya or murdhanya? Oh, this is difficult. Okay,
Murdhanya.
this na murdhanya. How? Because var sh. Okay, so this ra is already. Okay, this ra. So this ra is there and sh. So in between sha, a is there. So this na will definitely change into ana. So varshena. Okay. Arjun shabda, which is not given here. Arjun shabda. Arjun, what will happen? You tell me. Arjun shabda. Na will come. Arjunena. What will happen? Huh?
Arjunena.
So, bole.
Arjunena.
Which na? This murdhanya or dantya? Okay. Dantya. And Meenakshi is saying, why? Because ja is there. U is okay, but ja is which varga? Cha, ka, kha, ga, ganga, cha varga. Cha, cha, ja, ja, ya. If cha varga is there, then na will not change into na. Because ka varga, pa varga only we want. So ja is not, it is odd. It is not in our sutra. So Meenakshi ji,
Yes.
na will remain nena only. Okay. Why? Because ja word is not ka varga, pa varga, not swara, hayavara. It is other than that. So na will remain arjunena. Remember this, arjunena. Arjunena. Now one more word I will give. Pushpa. They have given all words which. Krishna. Krishna. Oh, it is already Krishna. Chalo, no problem. Krishnena. Krishna. Krishnena. Which na will come here? Which na? Which na? This na or this na? Agrawal is this na.
Murdhanya.
How Agrawal ji murdhanya will come? Because in bit murdhanya will not come. Let us open this. See, see, this na is coming. If one letter also is outside of ka varga, pa varga, say directly no. Don't say other words also. See, sha is preceding, fine. But na is not allowed. So here only everything ends.
Okay, okay.
Here,
right.
Krishnena. You see in Gita, everywhere Krishnena, Arjunena, this way. So Sha, Na, Ra example I gave, and this example also I gave. So what is rule? Remember, after sometimes you forget ka varga, which varga. So easy is at. At pratyahar means all swara, ha, ya, vara, ka varga, pa varga. Remember how to remember? First varga and last varga. Ka varga is first, pa varga is last. So first and last, if it is there, then it will change. And a and na should be there. If it is there, then also it will change. So two things simple we saw today. Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu, bhava, bhavatam, bhavata, bhavani, bhavava, bhavama. Okay. Try to write in saha, bhavatu, this format. Vayam, likhama. Hum likhe. Okay. And this rule. Ra changing into na, changing into ana. Two things we saw. So there are few more things we'll see in next Monday. We can complete next Monday this. Okay, you do some practice. Like which word? Yeah, any Tritiya Vibhakti you can take. Like Mitra Shabda, little bit difficult I will take now. Mitra Shabda, Mitra. So what will be Tritiya Vibhakti? Mitra. So Mitrena. So which ana? First of all, Ra is there. Yes, Ra is there. Huh? Ta and Ra. So Mitra, Ra, and A and Na. So now you can easily tell Na will change into Na or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because A is allowed.
Mm.
So Mitrena. So why this is important? When we go for sixth vibhakti, all cases like Rama Nam, Hari Nam, Mala Nam, everywhere na is there. There this rule will help you. Because all six like Hari Nam, Guru Nam, there you tell me now. Guru Nam Shabda is there. Guru Nam. So here na will become na or not? Guru Nam. Here what will happen to this na? See, not necessary you should come at the end. Our rule is what? Sha should be before that and na should be after. Not necessary na should always come at the end. So this doubt also we resolved. So will this na change into ana? Just see ra and na and what is in between. Don't see other things.
Who is this?
Yes. So U is okay. All swaras are okay. So Guru Anam. Guru Nam. Okay. ठीक है. So all dhatus they will decline like bhavatu, bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu. ठीक है. And this also you write. Okay. Today no sentences. You write any napunsak linga shabda in 7 vibhaktis. Okay. Here we will stop. This I will send you. And this you at least 5 dhatu you write. And by heart this. So any Ajnartha you can easily make out. Now you can open Gita, you will find out many Ajnartha. Like Bhagavan said, Tasmad Yogi Bhavarjuna. Tasmad Yogi Bhava. That is why you become Yogi. Tasmad Yogi Bhavarjuna. Bhava. many shabdas are there. Sarvadharman parityajya. Parityajya means you give up that. Parityajya, but that is different. No, Sarvadharman parityajya mam ekam sharanam vraja. So vraja tu vrajatam vrajantu. Vraja vrajatam vrajata. Sarvadharman parityajya mam ekam sharanam vraja. Bhagavan is ordering him. You surrender to me. That is there. Vraja means you surrender. This is order. That is not request. Bhagavan is not requesting to Arjuna. So this is how we will collect, we'll join all meanings. So Ajnartha we saw. Now the speed is faster. Next class, the Bhavishyakal is coming, but we'll see. Okay.
Sir, let was.
Lat was Vartaman Kal, present tense.
It is present tense. Okay. Then lot is. Lot is what? Future.
Lot is not
lot
future.
Is
lot is Ajnartha. Like if you want to give instruction, order, request, you will use this. Like you please go. We'll so say Bhavan Gachatu. Like that.
It is not past, present, future, nothing like that.
It is there, but we have different. Future tense is coming in 7th chapter. Past tense will come in 8th chapter. It is there, but the way is different.
It's different.
But load can be in present dasta.
See, Ajna is in any tense, like present tense. You go, you come, like that.
Load cannot is always going to be present tense only. Even if it's your command, it's a present tense command.
Yes, present tense.
It can't be like a future tense or you do something.
You will do it, not like that. You will do, not like that. Always in present. Okay, ji?
What is present tense? Thank you.
Present tense, request order. Okay. Yes, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.